Should there be changes with respect to what insurance companies pay for with respect to treatment of people addicted to drugs?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's start with one. If you were going to recommend legislation requiring insurance companies to pay for treatment, what would you want the insurance companies to pay for routinely or be required to pay for under their insurance policies?
Long-term, structured, sober living environments coupled with intensive case management and other wraparound recovery services.
Generally, do insurance companies pay for all that?
No.
So the insurance companies limit what, in your judgment, is needed to fully and adequately treat this problem.
Correct.
Okay. I appreciate that, and we're going to work on that in the legislature. Second,
Thank you.
with respect to the long-term treatment plans, first, tell us a little bit about your program and what you do in your program. And the name of your program is?
Surfside Structured Sober Living.
Now, that's a little different than other residential programs or other programs?
Correct.
Okay.
We are...
Tell the people what you do in your program and how you help.
So we're a long-term, non-clinical extended care for 18 to 34-year-old men. So we couple intensive case management, 12-step work, supervision, drug testing with a vocational component, adventure-based activities, and provide a stay upwards of 9 months.
So let's just break that down a little bit, because when you say vocational, I'm going to try to put this in simple terms. That means you help people get employment or train them for employment. Right?
Resumes, mock interviews.
The adventurist, I don't know what you mean when you adventure.
Sports, paintball, surfing, hiking, camping.
Okay, so what
hobbies.
you're doing is you're establishing some camaraderie, friendship, some activities they enjoy.
Self-esteem.
You're combining that with this concept of vocational or work-related training and this, I would call it traditional rehabilitation, no? What would you call the part where you're dealing with the underlying substance problem?
12-step immersion.
12-step
Immersion.
Okay. So what programs are out there? Let's assume for the moment that someone is watching this and they suspect or they know that a child or a family member has a substance abuse problem. Where do they go?
I mean, they could call us directly. I work with families every day, helping them to implement intervention strategies and to determine appropriate appropriate methods to help their
So
loved
if
ones
you
get
can't
into
do
treatment.
it, you can refer them to somebody
Absolutely.
else. And what's the name of your program?
So they can find us at Surfside Recovery Services or Surfside Structured Sober Living.